In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your data in Xero. Backing up your Xero data is an essential step to ensure that your financial records are secure and accessible whenever you need them. Whether you're preparing for an audit, switching to a new accountant, or simply want peace of mind knowing that your data is safe, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, let's head over to Xero. You'll want to log into your Xero account using your usual credentials. Take a moment to ensure you are logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple businesses. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you need to click on the accounting option. It's usually around the middle of your menu, so give it a click to proceed. After selecting accounting, you'll see a drop-down list presented to you. From this list, choose Accounting Settings. This will lead you to a new page where you can adjust and handle various settings related to your accounting preferences within Xero. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these options to better understand how Xero manages your data. Next, look for the option labeled Export Accounting Data. Click on it, and you will be taken to an export page where you can initiate the download of your data. It's important now to decide what exactly you want to export. Depending on your needs, you may want to export a variety of data points. Generally, the basic requirements are already pre-selected to streamline the process. Choosing what to export will largely depend on why you are backing up the data. You might want more data if it's for an audit compared to, say, just a routine check. Now you need to select the product you want to use for the export. This step is crucial as it determines the format of the file you'll receive. Look for the option to select a product and make your selection. Common formats include Excel or CSV files, and your selection here should align with how you plan to utilize the data once it's downloaded. Finally, it's time to download your data. You should see a download button available. Click this once you've finalized your export selections. Your computer will then prompt you to save the exported file. Choose a safe location on your hard drive, ideally with other important backups, and your file will begin to download. By following these steps, you've successfully created a backup of your Xero data. Having these records on hand can save you a lot of stress if you need to refer back to them in the future. Remember to routinely back up your data to keep your records current. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore our other guides for more tips on managing your finances with Xero.